Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today these are the brushes I'll be using in this video. Now I'm applying primer on my brows. And after that I'll be setting it with my setting powder. I'm using BINWA brow pencil and David's brow pencil in number 18. Make sure your pencil is sharpened properly. I'm using the spoolie to set my brows in place. Now I'm using the David's brow pencil to draw my outline, starting from my bottom outline. When drawing your brows, always take your time and practice constantly. I promise you'll get better. Now I'm moving on to my upper outline. Now I'm going in with the BINWA brow pencil to fill my brows in. When you're filling the front of your brows, please be light-handed and fill with light strokes. You want it to look as natural as possible. Now I'm filling the rest of my brows. You can fill it into your satisfaction. I like mine dark. And yes, you can always go back to correct any mistakes. Now I'm just brushing again to set them in place. Moving on to highlighting, these are the concealers I'll be using. Now I'm going to be using the shade Fawn all over my bottom outline. Concentrating the shade Pure Beige on my brow bone. Make sure the end of your brows is as sharp as possible. After that, I'm blending my concealer in with my blending brush. Now I'm using my perfect shade of concealer, which is Fawn, on my top outline. You can also use your foundation shade for the step. I'm just tracing it down to the end of my brows and blending it with the bottom outline to give it a precise shape. Now I'm just blending in the concealer with my blending brush. Finally, I'm using this brow gel to set my brows. That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.